Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I bought in past few weeks. And firstly, I'm going to show you what I got from Crafterama craft show in Alexandria, Paris, which was last week, last Saturday. I attended this craft show which I missed so very much. So I really enjoyed that my day out, and I bought few things which I wanted to share. Of course, I had to get some card bases, and I got two sets of 5x7 10th fold card bases. They are 350 GSM, and they are from Lime Tree Craft brand. That's the website as well if you are interested. This is my favorite paper shop, online shop, which they do beautiful card bases, different styles as well, and cards as well. And of course I got the DL 10th fold because I haven't seen them doing that, and the same with this one, I haven't seen them doing 5x7 10th fold. So of course I got those 3 packs for £12, which I found it's quite good deal with the bases and envelopes to go with them. So this is the first product. And then I got from them this warm mushroom card. Of course I needed to have this nice light brown card for one of the projects I'm going to do soon. So this is another product from Lime Tree Craft. And then I got some stamps from Hobby Art, cheeky meerkats and nice smiley sloths. So they were $15.99, quite expensive, but I couldn't resist, and I really wanted to get them even for myself or for my daughters, who actually love coloring. So I already stamped them for them, and let's see what they're going to create. And this set, that's the set number, and it's called Meerkat Madness. And the sloths, hope you can see all of them. And sloths, that's the code, and they're called sloths. Online they've got quite a lot of samples to show how to color them, what to create with those stamps. And then I went for make and take with the Art of Crafts. They had their own stand, and I wanted to join in because I found this beautiful card. I never made card with just black, red and white, and the image which you don't have to actually stamp. I made the flower as well to go with it, and I stamped the sentiment, but I'm going to keep it like this for now because I'm not sure what I'm going to who's going to get this card. And I got some few bargains. I've got this really nice stamp set with a bunny with umbrella for £1 only, and this camera as well for £1. This bunny and a CHIC was only £1 as well. That's they had a sticker over here. And this one I think was $2.49, I think, and I found that this trophy is quite big size. Let's see how big is it. It's about 4 inches, and I found that it can be for anyone, for girls, for boys as well. It doesn't have to be for dads, and it can be for many occasions, any celebration or any achievement, finishing school, completing in a challenge, football, swimming, whatever you want. So I thought, because I've got I think much smaller somewhere, which I can't find now anyway. And someone recommended those dies. I haven't got any Moonstone cutting dies by Hunky Dory at all, and apparently they cut very well. I haven't tried them yet, but they look really nice. I love this shape so much, and I think they look like mirrors actually. So this can be really interesting to use. I will try to use it soon. it was only, as you can see, $6.99. So lots of bargains. And once I got home, I was so excited. I started, because this stamp set on the craft show was $8.99. And I was thinking, I already bought those expensive funky looking ones, so I decided to resist because first of all, I don't have much space left and I have to go for my craft stash and sell some of the things. So I decided not to get it, but then I started to look online, obviously, and I discovered that one craft shop sells those beautiful stamps slightly cheaper. So of course I couldn't resist. I had to get them. So this one is the one I used on the make and take. As you can see, it has sentiments: I hate Mondays, everything's better with coffee. I love the sentiment, so I'm definitely going to use it in coffees and handbags, bags. And she's called Simone, CHIC Simone. That's the code and that's the name of the stamp set. And as you can see, colored version is really nice, so it can be good for trying to get better with coloring, because I'm not very good, I think. Well, I haven't had much practice anyway. So I got this set as well because she looks pretty. CHIC in Paris, Eiffel Tower, croissant, and she's called Colette, so that's the code and that's the name of the stamp set. And you can see how beautiful you can color it. So this is from online shop. I'm going to link everything below so you can check it out. And of course, I started to look for those stamps from Hobby Art, and I found this one brand new stamp set on eBay. And guess what? It was only £7.50. £7.50. So of course I had to get it. And that llama, giraffe, and so frustrated. I don't know, that expression is just priceless. So I had to get it, of course, for that price. And I'm really happy with that. I already stamped them for my girls to color, so let's see what they're going to make with that. And I had a really nice message from my dear friend Maxine. She said that she doesn't know how it happened, but she had a duplicate of this die set, and she already put that and it's on the way in a post for me. So next day, obviously, I got this die set, beautiful die set, which I haven't used any products from Carnation Crafts. So for me, when she said that, I go to their website, look for that collection, print out those images, and then use the dies to cut it out and create cards. I found, okay, really? They let you have those images for free and then you use the die to cut it out? So I'm still thinking, and I haven't tried it yet, as you can see. So this is something exciting for me to try, something new. And I love those cherry blossoms and those berries as well. So I'm really looking forward to using that die set. Thank you so much, Maxine. That was really nice surprise this week for me. And I got a few bits and pieces from Crafter's Companion, sorry. My throat is really dry today. And I got those stamps from Chalkboard collection, and I found that I need to make few cards just to have it handy, just in case, because sometimes you remember the last moment that you want to give something to someone and then you haven't got anything, and I don't like it. I need to have something ready for just in case if I need to give something to someone. So I found those really nice stamps, and I haven't done any heat embossing lately, so this is something to go back to heat embossing. And the last thing what I got from Crafter's Companion is this Shadowbox 5x7. This is a big set. It's for a die cutting machine. It says that it's not compatible with a Gemini original, but I've got this die cutting machine and it goes through. The only thing what you need to have is a free card, or 12 by 12, because you need to cut into size, because A4 paper does not fit this die. I'm going to show you. Of course, I didn't know that they included those nesting dies. We've got 4 stars, 4 circles, and 4 hearts with 2 banners, and those beautiful cut-in dies, and for decoration and corners, and this big one-piece die for creating the base. Let me grab a white card to show you how big is it. So as you can see, you need a free card because that bit is sticking out, so you need slightly bigger than A4. So that's it. That's all my goodies. Craft haul I got in past few weeks and from the craft show in Alexandra Palace. Thank you so much for watching, and I did not forget this time, if you like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that notification button and the bell so you will be able to see all my upcoming videos, and please join in. Let me know which product you like the most, or maybe you've got some of those stamps already. Have you created something? Let me know which one was your favorite, and please do comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.